It's 5 a.m. and I'm making this video because I want to educate you on how to not suck at YouTube. You see, as a future YouTube mistake, I feel like it's my responsibility to represent all of you beginners out there. So I made this list consisting of 5 mistakes, which from now on you can easily avoid. Mistake number 1. Hope. I noticed most of beginning YouTubers still have dreams regarding their life in general, which is the most important mistake you must avoid. Because if you are to commit yourself to doing videos, you must remove any kind of decency or self-respect you still have and fully give yourself to the demons of YouTube dramas and top 10 videos. Mistake number 2. Lighting. Make sure you have good lighting when you film, because if your videos have poor lighting, people won't be able to see the occasional glimmers of hope that will sometimes show up on your face as you realize that your life is being wasted in front of a camera while doing stupid let's plays. Mistake number 3. Commenting on stuff. If you aren't spending your time, it is the time. Mistake number 3. Commenting on stuff. If you aren't spending your time creating dramas around subjects people would normally find retarded and useless, you are doing YouTube wrong. Mistake number 4. Getting demotivated while watching videos that are supposed to motivate you. A lot of beginner YouTubers are spending a lot of time watching videos entitled How to Not Suck at YouTube or 5 mistakes beginner YouTubers do, instead of actually filming and gathering experience from that. If you are one of these people, then what you must do is stop caring about what others say that you should do or you should not do and focus on having fun, because this is why you started doing this. This is why you started making YouTube videos, because you wanted to have fun. Maybe because your life wasn't fun before, or maybe because you wanted to share some of the fun you had with people online. That's the most important thing. And mistake number 5, end your videos coherently. Don't just cut in the middle of a sentence like a lazy prick, you self-entitled piece of shit. Not that it matters. It's fucking YouTube, man. It's not that important.